Take 3. Not with it today. So, disclaimer. These are my thoughts and opinions. I don't know whether I'm going to need the disclaimer for this one, but yeah, those are my thoughts and opinions. And also, I swear, that one, definitely. I always swear because I can't help myself. Apparently that's a sign of, well, it depends where you're looking. It's either a sign of stupidity or mental excellence, cleverness, or whatever you call it. Yeah, so fuck it, I'm just going to keep going with this one because we're not going for take 4. So yeah, disclaimers out of the way. The other day we had the emergency alert thingy fandango go on for whatever reason. Still don't know why, because we don't get earthquakes and floods and well, there are places in England that have floods and things like that, but not everywhere in England needs telling at the same time. But at the weekend, on the 23rd at 3 p.m, well, actually some people got it at 3:30, some people got it 1 minute early. So it was a resounding flop from what I've seen. I've not really followed much, except for people just going like, "What? That was a big bag of bugger-all," What? Actually, that was me. That's what I posted on Facebook. Well, that was a big bag of bugger-all. But yeah, some people got it, some people didn't. I'd got my notifications switched off, but like I said on the video that I did the other day, I'd read that it was only 4G and 5G, and I don't have a 4G or 5G phone by choice, right? Less radiation, the better, let's face it. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, so I'd basically, Virgin Media tried to force me to go to 4G a while ago, because my broadband was working perfectly fine, and then they brought in 4G, and they're like, "Oh, you can have 4G." I'm like, "No, thank you very much." And then my service went really shitty. It was working perfectly fine, went really shitty. Rang them all, what was going on? "Oh, you need to upgrade to 4G. It's like, "No, I don't. It was working perfectly fine." And then they put it back again, like after this phone call, when I'm like, "No, I'm not taking 4G." Boom, it started working again. It's obviously a coincidence, right? Obviously. Anyways, so this thing went on at the weekend. I have a 3G phone, and so I'm like, well, maybe with that, maybe I actually, because I did turn off what I thought, the bit that I thought the emergency alerts was. Maybe with that. But no, didn't switch my phone off. It's like, that's not what I think it was about. It's not about reaching phones. It's about blasting 5G, in my personal opinion, all at one fucking go. It's like, boom, boom, yakasha, Raiden. And anyways, so it happened, and everybody's like, and the government's like, "Oh yeah, we buggered it up." So they're going to do it again. So, make sure you're not near a 5G tower when it happens again, because they're going to want to, do it more. Anyways, so today my Wi-Fi went off when I picked up my phone. No Wi-Fi. And next to the bit where the Wi-Fi usually is, there was this little icon on my phone that said 4G. Now, I'm like, you what? Like, that wasn't there before. I'm not on 4G. I know for a fucking fact I'm not. Well, I am now, obviously. So I put it on Facebook, and sure enough, friends have done the same thing. Like, it's thing. And then my friend Sarah shared with me a link that apparently switching off, this was ofcom.org.uk /3 phones dash telecoms dash and dash internet /advice dash for dash consumers / advice / 3G switch off if you want to check it out yourself. I can't believe I just read that. Anyways, so they're switching off 3G. Nobody has the option. We've all got to have the upgraded radiation version, 4G and above. All right. So I took a look at this thing. Oh, that must be it then. She's like, check your provider. It's all down to your provider when they switch off their 3G. I'm with Virgin Media, which means that I am technically with O2, and it says O2 has not yet announced any switch off plans. So it's not that. Also, it says Vodafone is starting its switch off this year, 2023. I'm assuming it's... No, that was from the 3rd of August 2022. So Vodafone started its switch off last year. EE and 3 plans to start its switch off by the end of 2024. So the end of next year. And O2 hasn't even... So why am I on 4G? I went on 4G before they did this thing. And like I say, I've got friends on Facebook who are like, yeah, I've been upgraded to 4G as well. And yeah, I'm confused. So if you've got any thoughts and opinions on this, please leave them in the comments, because I'm bamboozled. I purposefully didn't want 4G, and now I have 4G. And from the end of next year, they're going to start switching off 3G, so everybody's just going to be... So, what do you make of it? Let me know in the comments, and let's start the discussion. And I haven't once this time said them bastards, so I just need to stick it on the end, because you know full well that them bastards know exactly what's fucking going on, and that it will have a nefarious agenda behind it, because them bastards don't do anything for our benefit. So let's just see what goes on from here on in, and I shall speak to you soon, and I love you all lots. Bye.